How to install Venom Hacks. Step 1. Go to google.com and search for niceapkmod.com. No, do not use Bing to search. Step 2. Search Venom Hacks. Step 3. Click on Venom Hacks from the search results. Step 4. Click Download button. Step 5. Wait for the download link to generate. Step 6. After downloading, open the downloaded app file and click Install. Step 7. You're all set. Enjoy Venom Hacks. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.